It is always advisable to keep the front axle of your motorcycle greased and working. This ensures that the front wheel rotates freely without any wobble or noise and makes for a smooth riding experience. Here is how to do it. First, check if you have all the tools required for this in your toolbox. A 6 mm Allen key, a 17 mm open-end spanner, a 24 mm combination ring spanner, and an extension tube. Along with these tools, you will need a universal jack tapping mallet and a can of Royal Enfield grease. First, place the motorcycle in an upright position on a firm and flat surface. Now, place the jack under the engine frame and lift the motorcycle so that the front wheel is off the ground by 15 centimeters. Use a 17 mm spanner and hold the spindle from the left-hand side while you loosen the spindle nut from the right-hand side by using a 24 mm ring spanner fitted to the extension tube. With the 6 mm Allen key, loosen the hex socket pinch bolt from the left-hand side fork. Remove the spindle nut and plain washers from the spindle. Now, gently tap the spindle with the mallet on the right-hand side while you hold the wheel for support. Pull out the spindle from the left-hand side. Remove the front wheel assembly and remove the spacer from the wheel hub at the right-hand side. Insert a cardboard sheet between the brake pads to prevent damage. Remember not to place the wheel disc side down, as it may cause damage to the disc plate and toner. Also, do not press the front brake lever when the wheel is removed from the vehicle. Place a soft cloth under the wheel hub center mounting hole area to prevent any damage. To refit the front wheel, first place the spacer on the right-hand side of the wheel hub. Remove the cardboard sheet from between the brake pads. Apply grease on the oil seal and on the bearing. Now, slowly roll the front wheel assembly between the forks to locate its position. Make sure the hub of the wheel and fork positions are aligned. Apply a thin film genuine Royal Enfield grease. Place the front wheel between the forks where the hub of the wheel and fork positions are aligned. Insert the spindle from the left-hand side by lifting the wheel assembly to bring the spindle axis on the same level as the wheel hub and fork. Now, insert it completely. Insert the plain washer, spindle nut, and tighten it with your hand for a few threads. With the 17 mm spanner, hold the spindle from the left-hand side and tighten the spindle nut from the right-hand side with the 24 mm spanner fitted to the extension tube. Finally, tighten the left-hand fork socket head hex bolt by using the 6 mm Allen key. Check the wheel for free rotation. Now, take out the jack from under the engine. You are all set for the long road. However, do visit a Royal Enfield authorized service center to get the bolts tightened to recommended torque. Keep riding.